Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will start by protecting your site and locating the problem. First, make a full backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable WP Debug and open your browser DevTools to inspect the area with extra white space. Look for margins, padding, empty elements, or CSS overrides. Make sure to note the active theme and any recently updated plugins because those often introduce layout shifts. Now prepare to test changes in a safe staging or local environment. You need to narrow down the source. Start by deactivating plugins one at a time or use a bulk deactivate tool. Observe when the white space disappears. If plugins aren't the cause, switch to a default theme to confirm whether the theme CSS is responsible. While testing, use DevTools to inspect parent containers, column widths, margins, padding, and media queries that trigger at specific breakpoints. This tells you whether the fix belongs in plugin settings, theme options, or custom CSS. You will apply the fix and confirm it holds. Add precise custom CSS in a child theme or the customizer, targeting the offending selector. For example, remove unexpected margin or set max width and box sizing rules. After saving, clear all caches, server, caching plugin and CDN, and reload browsers. Make sure to test on mobile and desktop to confirm responsiveness. If the problem persists, use the Browser Element Inspector to find inherited rules. The troubleshooting tip: try disabling CSS minification temporarily to see the original styles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.